Okay, today it's still day one of Leetcode 75. We're doing problem 345. This is reverse vowels of a string. So we're given a string S, we have to reverse only all the vowels in the string and return it. So the vowels are I, E, A, L, U, and they can appear in lowercase or uppercase more than once. So for example, one, we have ice cream, and they have various forms of lower and uppercase. So to reverse the vowels, we have we have I, E, E, and I, E, E, and C, A. So we have four vowels, and then we just need to reverse them. So then that will just result as A, E, E, and I. Right. So this is the list of the vowels that are in S, and on reversing them, it becomes is, Cre, I. And then for our Leetcode, we can do the same thing. So we have E, E, O, and E. So when we reverse all of that, it's going to be E, O. So that would be in the first position, and then E, E. So the way that we can solve this problem, or solve this question rather, is we can have two pointers. One's at the beginning of the string, and one is at the end of the string. And we can essentially just wait until we reach a vowel, and then we can flip the two positions. So say that we have our left pointer. So our left pointer is at I, and then our right pointer is at M. There's not a vowel, so then we'll go to our A, which is a vowel, and then we'll flip these two, and then we'll continue in the rest of the list here until we find more vowels, and then flip them until they meet in the middle. Okay, so to implement this now, we'll be having our vowels set here. We have to remember that strings are immutable in Python, so we have to convert this to a list, and at the end we'll return a join of the list, which converts it into a string, and then we're going to create two variables, which is the left pointer and the right pointer. So then we can do we can iterate. We can say that while I is strictly less than J, we are going to have it so that if if S of I is in the vowels and S of J is in the vowels, what we're going to do is we're going to do a flip. So we're going to have a temporary, which is equal to the left position element. We're going to set the left position element to the right position element, and then we're going to set the right position element to the temporary, which was the left position element. That's how you do a flip. So otherwise, if and then we're also going to increment both the pointers and decrement the J pointer. So else if S of I is not in vowels, we're going to increment the index. Otherwise, it's going to be J, which doesn't have a vowel, so then we'll decrement that, and then we'll return. Oh, we already returning something, so that should be the solution. Alright, cool. Time complexity should be O of n, since we are just going through the entire string essentially, and we're probably going to be O of 1 space complexity, since we're just storing two pointers. And probably, actually, it was gonna be O of n, since we have to convert this string into a list as well. You can check the editorial since, yeah, space complexity O of n, since we need to allocate space for the list here. Yeah, we needed to store a char array of this as well, and O of n, since we go through the entire string. Yeah.